Tonight I'm going to talk about how you can make your propane connection to your forge do this. Quick disconnect, or a natural gas / propane quick disconnect kit from Mr. Heater, and a few other parts that I'll include in the description as well as in the next slide, in order to show you how to assemble a forge with a kit cart and hose all the way through every connecting link back up to your gauge if you order this set from Vevor.
So what you're gonna need is some basic things like yellow pipe tape as well as pipe dope. And then this chart will explain how you get through here.
So to begin, we have your standard setup from Vevor. This is as it comes. I only set up all of the levers on the same side as well as all of the screws, which was on a recommendation video. You can check out the setup that I included the links to. They did great work. I think the guy's name was Greg, but showed you how to set it up well. These are the standard connecting turn toggles for these tie-offs. And as you come
down the red hose that is given you in the Vevor package, you're gonna need to connect it to the quick disconnect hose somehow. The way that you do that is you take a 3/8 barb hose end to female pipe thread flare, and then you connect this piece to the 3/8 to 3/8 male flare end, and then you connect that to the female flared end of the quick connect hose, which then goes back up to the proprietary connection, which is where this quick disconnect link happens. And that connects onto a 3/8 male flare to 3/8 male flare that comes in the Mr. Heater kit. And then you're gonna need a 3/8 hose barb to female flare pipe thread. And then you put that same piece on the other end of your cut link from your hose and attach that to your gauge. And then the gauge finally squares into the propane tank.